Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automate your dropshipping orders in Shopify. Let's get started. First, let me show you the manual process that most beginners use. When you get a new order in your Shopify store, you have to open up your supplier's website, whether that's AliExpress, Amazon, or another marketplace. You then need to manually search for the exact product your customer just purchased, add it to your cart, and proceed to checkout. At checkout, you have to carefully enter your customer's shipping address information by hand, making sure there are no typos or mistakes. You then have to complete the payment process using your own card. After waiting for the supplier to ship the order, you need to manually copy the tracking number from the supplier's website, go back to your Shopify admin, find the order, and paste that tracking number in to update your customer. This entire process can take 510 minutes per order. And if you're getting multiple orders per day, this quickly becomes a huge time drain that keeps you tied to your computer. Now, let me show you the automated solution using Sell the Trend's powerful auto order feature. Once you've connected your Shopify store and your supplier accounts to the Sell the Trend platform, the system handles everything automatically. When a new order comes into your Shopify store, Sell the Trend instantly detects it and automatically places the order with your supplier using your customer's shipping information. The system automatically handles the payment process using your preferred payment method on file, and then it automatically tracks the shipment and updates the tracking information back to your Shopify store. This means you can literally wake up to find orders have been fulfilled while you were sleeping, with tracking numbers already updated in your Shopify dashboard. The best part is, you can try this incredible automation completely free for 14 days. Sell the Trend offers a full trial of their platform, including the auto order feature that can save you hours of work each week. I've left a link in the description below so you can test it out yourself and see how much time and stress this can save you in your dropshipping business. Thanks for watching.